Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Matic against USDT chart. We are going to see the exact price targets, and before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription patreon.com/mindyourcrypto. You will get easy profits, you will trade via our manual system with over 90% win ratio, and you will get one of the best trading systems with exact buying and selling points. Okay, and we short positions as well. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day. Let's start. So, what Matic has been doing over the last couple of days, you can see that Matic, in general, if we go to the weekly frame, we will notice something beautiful. This altcoin, potentially from the 0.30 that it was and the 0.15 and so on, it has managed to pump above the 1 USDT over the 2.96, and right now it stays above the 0.50 area. Right now though, what we want to see is, what are we going to do? You can see that back then it was sitting at 0.102003, and right now it is sitting at the 0.7. So even if we had the bearish cycle for Matic, it still withstands a very good chance. Actually, it has been pumping a lot since, and of course during this period of the bearish cycle it has been outperforming most of the altcoins. Okay, and of course Matic is the future. I've seen what it has been doing on LinkedIn, on social media, what the progress of the altcoin, and trust me on that, Matic is looking very strong and very promising for the next years. Right now though, what we want to do here on Mind Your Crypto is the exact price targets for the short term. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the daily frame and I'm going to have the Fibonacci from the bottom to the top. Now, why I'm doing that? Because I want to find major support levels. For Matic, what the real problem is, it is that right here, we could be having more correction approaching the 0.67. Okay, so personally for me, it could be the chance that we go back down to the 0.67, 20, 30, around there. This is not a significant correction. However, for Matic against USD chart, in order to see that, we need to have two bearish crosses. The first one should be from the 20-day, the yellow line, to the 200-day moving average, and the second one from the red line. Okay, from this line right here, the 50-day exponential moving average. Right now, though, we do not have any bearish cross yet, but I think that it is very likely that this will happen, and Matic will be going a little bit further down. Right now though, for Matic, the case right here is that we got rejected in the weekly scale from the 20-day exponential moving average, right? This is the most bearish thing that I have seen right now. And of course, the fact that we didn't close above the 0.7811 in the weekly scale. If we close above the 0.7811 to 15 in the weekly scale, then that means that we are going to go all the way up if we just close above in the weekly. Okay, but apart from that though, this theory seems a little bit unrealistic for now, because I cannot see how Matic is going to move all the way upwards. But this is why I'm here though, to provide the exact price targets, right? And I'm going to draw the Fib this time from the top to the bottom to discuss a little bit about the resistance levels. So the first thing that we need to close above in the short term is the 0.7830, 7380. Okay, around there. So we need to close above this target right here, and potentially if we do that, then yes, we can move and climb all the way up higher, right? Okay, these are the exact price targets that we need to close above, with a bullish movement being above this line right here. If we can close above here, in the 4-hour frame even, we are going to go all the way up to the next targets right here, the 0.76, and finally even the 0.80. But if we do not close, because we got rejected one time, you can see this line right here, we got rejected around there back on Tuesday 27, yesterday, then that means if we cannot make it, this will happen to be another correction for Matic. So you have to be careful. Other than that though, in the long term, in the long run, I believe that Matic is going to outperform everything. I believe that Matic is going to move even higher. And this right here is the start of something more impulsive. We could be on our way to have the first, okay, actually, this is the 0 point right here, first, second point, third point, fourth point, and right now we will see the fifth point, maybe even to the 5 USD and so on. But when we reach that in the next bull cycle, you have to be careful with Matic. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, patreon.com/MindYourCrypto. You will get easy profits. Join us and you won't regret it. Thank you and see you soon. Bye.